Zymon B.
Hello. Forgot that I supposed to film this, so I started doing my eyes. Basically, we're just doing a makeup for a profile picture that I'm gonna post, and also I'm trying to make a YouTube short video while filming this. I actually forgot that I need to contour, so I'm gonna do that now. So basically, this look is inspired by BamBam's music video for riBBon. I really like that song. It really vibes with me, and the aesthetic is literally my vibe. So I'm emulating that with the look today, and I really love how it's turning out so far. Pulling more on the blues, and I'm adding the pink as the blush later, and I'm gonna draw like ribbon like shapes on my face. Hopefully I can pull that off like really well. So I look insane. I really like my brows though. They're really cool. It's a hard brow to do, but I did it.
I did it.
Forgot that I was filming again. I'm very sorry, but this is such an intense look that I need to go ahead and start ASAP. ASAP! Woo. Now I'm gonna contour my nose. Just a quick little dash of it. Oh!
Oh,
I hate my base today. It's cracking and stuff, but you know what? Who cares? It's really hot and I want to open my... I'm putting like a purple and then into an indigo to a blue. I think that's the colors that I'm using today in my Beauty Glaze palette. Oh, you know the one. You know the only palette that I have. I always use that because that's the only one I have. So I'm just trying to blend this. I'm just using one brush to do all of this because who needs a lot of brushes, honestly? Like, you can do it on just one. Now that's a bit intense, so I'm gonna put white on top of everything just to make it more pastel. Ang init. Oh my god, it's running. I'm gonna try and do this like this. Okay. My face is cracking. Oh my gosh, wait. Hold on.
Wait a minute, hold on.
I need more of that foundation because it's starting to disappear. That's the wrong color. You know what? I'm gonna make you work. That's why I don't really like using this foundation because it crumbles if you don't set it real good. Like that, there's patches. The patch is big. Anyway, I'm gonna pack blush on that part anyway, so it's cracking. I hate this here. It's fine. It's fine. And then gonna blow out the edges of this eye because it's too intense. Just packing some transition colors in there. Patting it down to like blend it even more. I think that's pretty good. I wanna like blend this with the foundation brush just ever so softly. There we go. I think I'm done with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little bit of a dark wing in there, maybe like a rosy brown color. Let's see, and I'm gonna wing it a little bit. That looks harsh right now, but if I open my eyes it's gone basically, so it's just enough. I have small eyes, so I'll be wearing this knit jacket that is inspired by Haruto's outfit from Treasure, their song My Treasure music video. I really love that jacket, and so I made one for myself because that's what we do in this household. Okay. I'm gonna film a part of my YouTube short right now, so goodbye for now. Okay, cut. Okay, we're back, you guys. As you can see, I put too much blush in there, but I'm gonna buff her out. I really love putting blush on the top of my eye just because it looks very young and fresh. Kind of like a girl vibe, honestly. But it's actually Igari. E as in Igari. You know what I mean? I'm just mixing like a bright peach and a dusty rose color to make this color of blush. I really like it. Like, balances it out. I'm like washed out because of this hair, honestly. Ugh. Why am I so washed out? I hate it here. Oh well. I look dead. What the heck? I hate it here. I'm gonna add maybe like a little bit of this rosy color on the edges just to blend it out a little bit more and to ground it a little bit onto reality. I'm gonna add a blush on my nose. Maybe we can pop like a yellow here again. Like, I really love doing that yellow inner corner. That's because it's fun. You can't see it. What? Okay, you can see the yellow that I tucked in there. Putting yellow in there. Just, you know, like a touch more color. This is turning into a rainbow look, even though it's not intended to be one. The special thing that I'm adding to this makeup is actually coming at the end of it. I'm also like kind of want to do this yellow lip with the red gradient. Maybe a little. We'll see. I'm gonna add like a yellow on the lip. Just, you know, a faint sprucing up of yellow. It's going anywhere but my lip, you know. Like, okay, sure. Should I do the lip now? Yeah, let's do the lip now. Okay, we're gonna get my Calypso from Leath Cosmetics. It's very dirty. I smushed this product elsewhere. I don't know when that happened, but it happened, so. But I'm not throwing it away because I'm not a wasteful bitch. Feather it out. I like this color because it's an MLBB, but a pinkier MLBB. Make it more look alive, I guess. Is that a lip? Should I add like a strong pink in there? I don't know. Darken it a bit, I guess. I'm putting shadow on it. Inner side to make it a bit stronger. I look like a clown.
Voila, what do we have, ladies? A fucking clown.
I'm starting to hate this look. Okay, maybe we can like buff out some of the blush. I'm gonna knock out some color, which, no offense to clowns, you know, full respect to them, but I'm not trying to look like one. So the blue eyeshadow maybe is throwing it off. I'm gonna try and remove that yellow pop because I'm not liking this. I'm gonna put like a shimmer, like a pink shimmer on to combat that yellow a little bit. I'm a mess today. I usually don't do this, and I usually like how I'm doing like these colors, but somehow I messed it up because I'm recording myself. I think that's always the case for me. Now is for the fun part, which is the moment that we've been waiting for a little bit. I'm gonna use some foundation. Also mixing the two of my foundations here, the lighter one and the darker one. I'm grabbing a concealer brush, and then I'm just gonna like put some swirls in this blush, I guess. I'm nervous. Okay. Kind of like that. I'm gonna like try to build this up a little bit more. I don't mind that it's very liquidy. Is that good? You know what? I'm just gonna continue. Then I'm gonna put one here. That's fun. I actually like that one. That's kind of cool. I like that. I'm gonna try and fix this more. I think I should do more. Maybe like a loose one here on top. Just for shits and giggles, I guess.
Child.
I'm gonna put one here too. I'm kind of digging this now. This is kind of cool. I'm extending this one. So we have like a... I'm blending the edges out. My finger. And then we're gonna set that with some powders. I'm just gonna make some lines crisp right here. This is why I don't film this type of makeup looks, because I can't really speak through them. I need like full concentration because I'm not that talented, baby. I need that extra carefulness in there so I don't ruin it completely, even though I'm kind of hammering it right now. Last one stitch up. So I'm just gonna set everything. I'm gonna add like a bit of a shadow effect on some of them. I'm gonna find like a smaller brush because I find that when I'm using the other brush that I was using, it's disrupting the foundation. So I'm using like a more precise brush for this. Oh, you got me, oh, skirt, skirt, baby, I want you to stay. Just gonna set this, gonna cut this video first. Okay, now I'm gonna add the shadows. I'm adding like a middle brown with a touch of pink in there. Just, you know, to tighten the blush. I'm trying to make some lines more crisp with the shadow. And then I'm gonna blend that down a little bit. It's okay to use your fingers to blend. It's okay. It's pretty nice. Then I'm also gonna add like a shadow inside of the circle so it looks like the ribbon is like twirling and some of it is on the back part. So I'm gonna do that with some browns. Cut this and then shade that all in a darker brown. Now that you know what I'm doing, oh, actually, look. Yes.
Yes, go on.
Okay, now that you know what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna cut the cameras dead ass and then finish this look. I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and of course subscribe if you want to see more of my face. And if you really like it, then should have put a wing on it. You get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to follow me on all my social medias, all at Zymon B. You like the Facebook page, facebook.com/I'm Zymon B. And as always, I hope to see you guys soon. And have a great day ahead. Bye guys. This is really fun. I love this look.